What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we are going to be trying out another mystery box filled with returns. However, this time we're not doing Amazon returns, we're actually going to be doing Royal Mail returns. If you guys are watching this from outside the UK, Royal Mail is basically like our British postal service. It's the one that's literally affiliated with the Queen. So I feel like we're gonna get some pretty good gems in here. I have this huge box literally filled with returns and I have no idea what's inside. Now, if you've seen my previous videos from this series, I normally buy Amazon returns and I normally get them from a website called buyershub.co.uk. I'll link the link in the description in case you guys are wondering and want to get one for yourself. But yeah, I would say that this is a pretty trusted website as I've done a load of videos from here before. So this particular listing was called the Internet Courier Returns Royal Mail, and this cost me £99 for this box. There was shipping and taxes on top, so I actually ended up spending 111 Great British pounds. This particular box sold out super quick, and apparently I think there's 25 items in this one. The suspense is literally killing me, so let's just open up this huge box and see what's inside. As always, it genuinely feels like Christmas. I can't wait to see what's in here. It better be something good because so far this is one of the more expensive boxes I've bought from this website. I tilted down the camera just a little bit so you guys can actually see the box. So let's open it up. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh, there's another layer of box. Hang on. Let's try that again. Ta-da! This really isn't working out, is it? Ooh, okay. Right, so every single thing is literally wrapped individually. This is very exciting. I mean, look at this. It is completely filled with parcels. So obviously we purchased the return box. These are not parcels that have been lost or anything. These are ones that have been actually returned by the customers. So I don't feel too bad about buying them. I feel like I'm giving them a second life. Right, so first up, let's open this up. First things first, it has people's name on it. I think that could be illegal. I mean, hang on a minute. This one doesn't have a name on it. Okay, so it looks like it's just one so far. I'm gonna try and keep the identity of this person's secret. Anyways, let's open this up. It looks like it's a piece of clothing. Right, here we go. Here we go. What is this? Ooh. Ooh, okay. It's a little romper. Hang on a minute. This actually could be kind of cute. I mean, I don't normally wear colors like this, but it's a little romper. And then it's very, very wide and very floaty. It's got little pockets in the front. This is kind of cute. I would say this already is better than some of the Amazon boxes I've tried before because some of the clothing that's been in those have not been good. But yeah, this is an unbranded piece of clothing, so I'm sure it wouldn't cost too much, but yeah. That's the first item. Moving on, let's try this box here. I really wonder what could be inside a box like this. I'm hoping for maybe some homeware or something because I say this every time in every one of these videos and I never get it. So I'm really gonna try and manifest some homeware things in this one. So this is what we have. I have no idea what this is. It's 5 different individual boxes. Let's see what we have inside. It's some piece of plastic. I have no idea what this is. Looks like some kind of mount or maybe I don't know. What do you guys think this could potentially be? It looks like some kind of piece for, I don't know, a television or I don't know. Why is there so many of them? That is what I want to know. There's literally 5 of them and they're exactly the same inside. Well, that's a little bit anticlimactic. I was expecting something a bit more interesting. Next up we have this item, which is another big, quite weighty box. Let's rip it open. Ooh, what is this? It's a mini sewing machine. What? This is amazing. I actually don't have a sewing machine. I really, really want one. So this is great. It looks a little bit squished, I'm not gonna lie, but let's open it up. Oh, wow. Okay, it's definitely been used. Whoever returned this, I mean, come on, at least put the bobbin back in. Dear oh dear, there is loose threads everywhere. Okay, here is the actual sewing machine. Let's see how big it is. It is so cute. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. It is absolutely tiny, but if you just need it for a little something, like a little stitch project, or you need to fix a bit of clothing, I feel like this is a great size. As you can see, the person had already had a go stitching something, and they just left it in the sewing machine. It looks like they might have just wanted to use it once. Maybe then they realized they don't need it. That's why they returned it. So I'm hoping it's still in good working order. All right, moving on to the next item. We're now gonna see whatever the hell this is. This is very interesting. Ooh, what is this? It looks like maybe a cool pack. I don't know. It's like a very squidgy silicone kind of material. I have no idea what this is used for. It feels very, very cool to like play with though. It's not particularly cold, so I don't think it's a cool pack. I have no idea what this could be. If any of you guys know what something like this is used for, definitely let me know in the comments. Next up, we have this packet, which is again quite soft, which tells me there's a piece of clothing inside. Ooh, what is this? Oh, okay. First up, I mean, I'm not too keen on the color and the pattern, but we'll see. I'm guessing it's like a dress. It looks like a dress. Okay, yes, it's definitely not my style, that's for sure. It looks like a grandma dress, I'm not gonna lie. The pattern, the style, and yeah, just everything is really not my taste, but that's okay. It looks like a brand new dress, so I'm definitely gonna donate it to charity. All right, next up we have another little box. It's quite a heavy one. Please, no random bits of metal or plastic. That's all I'm hoping for. I always get these like random connectors, random mounting plates. I don't need them. What is this? It's a smart home wall switch and socket. Wow. I mean, it's definitely something a little bit different, so that's good. Ooh, okay. What have we got here? How does it look? That's what I want to know. If it's like a good looking switch, I might even get more of them. Wow. That is awesome. That is a smart looking light switch. Look at that. It's like touch. That is amazing. Okay, perhaps I will keep this and maybe look into getting more for my house, seeing as I am building my house right now. It comes with like the cables, the little back plate, screws and everything. That's very interesting. Finally, a pretty decent product. Next up, we have this large item. Let's see what is in here. Okay. Ooh, it's something quite like rigid. What does it say on the label? It literally doesn't say anything that I can read anyway. What is this? Wow, it's like a coat. Look at that. It's a full-on jacket. I can't tell if this is a men's or women's. Can you guys tell? It's not like the best quality, but equally it's not too bad. This is again definitely something I can donate to charity, so that's really cool. Moving on to the next item. I have no idea what this is, but it seems to be some kind of case for something. It's really, really like heavy. What could it be? It's looking like maybe some kind of camping gear. So you open it like that. What is it? Suspense is real, you guys. It's really, really real. What is this? Is it a mattress? Or is it a cover? I think it's a mattress. I really am confused. I have no idea what this is. Very, very big and long. And it's got like a blow up thing. So it's either a mattress or a raft for like the water. It's actually got two like blow up intake things for air. I think it's some kind of mattress for sure, but it just doesn't feel like a mattress. I feel like this would be very uncomfortable to sleep on. Oh yeah, it does say it's a sleeping pad. It came with this. Moving on, we now have this packet, which is already half open, and it's a pair. It's a single shoe. And it's definitely been used. What the hell? Why did they send me one single shoe? It looks like a water shoe, I think. No, I think it's just a regular shoe actually. But yeah, it's very, very small. It looks like a kid's shoe. And it's definitely been used. That is so odd. Like, why would they just send me one shoe? That is not worth anything. Moving on, we then have this parcel, and this one is once again got a name on it. So I don't really understand why they're allowed to do that. Of course, I will keep the name hidden because I don't want people to like find out people's personal details. That is not cool. But anyways, this is what was inside the packet. It looks like some kind of dress. This is interesting. The things some people buy, honestly. I mean, no offense, but that is a pretty ugly dress in my opinion, but that's just me. Let me know in the comments, would you guys wear this? Because I just don't know how I would wear this. It smells like it's been worn. Like it doesn't smell new, so I'm a little bit concerned about that. But anyway, so that's the dress. Not really something that I would wear, so I'm definitely gonna donate it. We then have another parcel and it's literally already open and falling out. This is another one with a name on it. What is in this one? First up, we have this, which is another little like romper situation. Let me button it up so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. I have to say the quality is actually shocking. Whoever is selling this should be sued. It does also come with a strap, but yeah, it's just not very good, you know? Luckily, it doesn't have any branding on it. Otherwise, I would name and shame. Inside the bag was also this item. It's another bit of clothing. What is this one? Wait, it's the same thing, but in a navy. In a navy color. This one looks slightly better. It's not as crinkled, but it's exactly the same. Okay, moving on, we have this, which I think is a pair of shoes. This one does not have an address on it. It does. This is awful. Why are they literally leaving people's addresses on? That is not okay. It's a pair of shoes. And these are brand new, actually. They've not been used, so good on you. Whoever returned this, they actually returned it, you know, proper. Oh, okay. Don't know what size these are, but they look quite large. Perhaps my husband Matt can make use of them. They are brand new. They're like sandals, but like men's sandals. And they have like this mesh, which is very, very breathable. They look very big, actually. Maybe Matt can use them. I guess we'll see. This is what they look like. They're actually not that bad. Like, just for running around the garden and things, I think they would be quite cool. This is probably the only item so far, apart from the Switch, that I might actually keep for myself. Moving on, the next item is actually in an Amazon parcel, so I guess they did chuck a few Amazon things in here as well, not just Royal Mail. Here we go. What is in here? It's a green piece of clothing. Interesting. Oh my gosh, I swear if it's another romper, I'm just gonna be like, what the heck? Oh, it's not. It's a shirt. Okay. That's not too bad. That's quite a nice green shirt. Again, I don't know if it's a men's or women's. It looks like a men's. But yeah, there you go. I quite like the collar on it, or the lack of the collar, I guess. It's a really, really nice shirt. It just needs a steam. Okay, moving right along, we now have a box which says, fragile, handle with care, thank you. And this one doesn't have an address on it, so that's good. But let's see what is in here. Ooh, what is this? It's a citrus juicer? That is cool. I have to say, that is really awesome. I've always wanted one of these. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Right, let's open it up and see if it's even been used or what's the situation. I can't pull it out. Why can I not pull it out? Okay, here we go. It's definitely been used. I can see traces of orange on it. I can only imagine it's been used. They realized that it maybe isn't as good as they thought it was, and then they returned it. There's literally like bits of orange still inside, and the actual machine itself is quite dirty, but yeah, I mean, I can always try and clean it, put it through the wash, and then see if it works. All right, guys, we've only got 4 items left, so let's open up this one next. This one has been predominantly like clothing, which I'm not mad about, but the clothing isn't exactly my taste or anything that I'd normally wear. Okay, so this one is a little hoodie. This one I actually think could be good. It's very, very soft, and it's got like all these neon sort of zip tie looking things. It's a decent quality hoodie from a brand called this. I won't even try and pronounce it. I think it's a men's hoodie. I definitely think I can probably gift this to my dad and he'll probably make use of it. Moving on, we then have this parcel, which I again think is probably clothing. Oh God. God, what is this? Oh no, it's another dress that's very old-fashioned looking. Okay, I mean, maybe. It's a V-neck. It's got like this cinched sort of breast area, but I just feel like it's a very grandma-ish looking dress. It's not really my vibe, but I will again donate this to charity. Moving on, we have another parcel with something quite leathery inside. Oh, it's a leather jacket. Hang on a minute, this could be good. I mean, okay, it's not like my favorite style of leather jacket, but it's decent. This is what it looks like. I think it could be a men's. I'm not too sure. The faux leather looks all right. It doesn't seem damaged or anything. So, you know, that's a decent item. All right, and now the very last item is another piece of clothing. This has been very clothing heavy. I don't really know why, but this is it. It's a black piece of clothing. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it's a very long black dress, very, very simple design. It's literally just like a V-neck. The actual fabric is made of almost like a, it feels like a Hessian cloth, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, it's pretty straight down, not really much to it. I don't love it, but it's okay. All right, guys, so that is the whole box completely empty. We have gone through everything that was in here, and for £111, I must say, I don't think this box was really worth it. I have to say I'm a little bit annoyed because out of the whole box, the only items that I might actually be able to use are things like the citrus juicer, the sewing machine, the little like light switch, that's the smart light switch, maybe these shoes if they fit matte, and then lastly, this hoodie. But other than that, everything was pretty bad. Like I said, I won't let the items go to waste. Every time I do these videos, I will actually take everything that I don't want and I'll give them to the charity shops, which I ultimately think that these items are obviously better off going into charity shops rather than landfill. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. I'm sure you guys would not want me to purchase another one just because I feel like it was a waste of time. Here I was thinking that Royal Mail is going to provide the goods, you know? I just thought there was going to be slightly better items in here rather than Amazon, but I guess I was wrong. So I mean, you live and you learn. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. The next video I do is going to be an Amazon returns box. I have it literally right in front of me and I'm about to film it, so definitely stay tuned for that in like a week's time. That box is even bigger. It is literally massive. But anyways, that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!